All right, let's learn some CMD commands for managing your Wi-Fi network. Right-click on the menu and open the Admin terminal. You need the password for a Wi-Fi network your PC is already connected to, but you never wrote it down and it's not on the router label. Or you want to see passwords for every Wi-Fi network your PC has ever connected to. Windows has them all saved, and there's a simple command that shows you every single one. First, see every Wi-Fi network your PC has ever connected to and saved. Type netsh wlan show profiles. Press Enter. Windows lists all saved WLAN profiles by name, every network your PC has connected to and stored credentials for. This might be your home network, your office, a friend's house, hotel networks, public hotspots, anywhere you've connected and chosen to save the connection. Note the exact names of the Wi-Fi networks you want to retrieve passwords for. You'll need them in the next command. To view the password for a specific network, type netsh wlan show profile name equals network name, key equals clear. Replace network name with the exact name of the Wi-Fi network. Copy it precisely from the previous command's output, including spaces and capitalization. Press Enter. A detailed profile appears. Scroll down to the Security Settings section. Look for the line labeled Key Content. The text next to it is the Wi-Fi password in plain text. The key equals clear parameter is what makes the password visible. Without it, Windows displays the profile but masks the password field. If you want to export every saved Wi-Fi profile, including passwords, to readable XML files all at once, run netsh wlan export profile folder equals C:, key equals clear. Press Enter. Windows exports every saved Wi-Fi profile as a separate XML file to the root of your C drive. Each file is named after the network it represents. Open any of these XML files in your browser or notepad. Search for key material. The text between the tags is the network password. Practical uses for this. You're setting up a new PC and want to quickly configure all the same Wi-Fi networks without looking up each password individually. Transfer the XML files to the new machine and import them using netsh wlan add profile file name equals C:\networkname.xml. This imports the profile, including the saved password. The new PC can connect immediately. If you just want the password for the network you're currently connected to, combine two commands. First, find your current network name. netsh wlan show interfaces. Look for the SSID line. This is your current network name. Then use that name in netsh wlan show profile name equals your current network, key equals clear, and look for key content in the output. While we're here, several other netsh wlan commands are worth knowing. netsh wlan show networks lists all Wi-Fi networks currently visible to your adapter, not just saved ones. Shows SSID, signal strength, encryption type, and authentication method for every nearby network. netsh wlan disconnect disconnects from the current Wi-Fi network. netsh wlan connect name equals network name. Connects to a saved Wi-Fi profile by name. netsh wlan delete profile name equals network name. Removes a saved Wi-Fi profile, useful for cleaning up old networks you no longer use or resetting a connection that's behaving incorrectly. netsh wlan show drivers shows detailed information about your Wi-Fi adapter and its drivers, useful for troubleshooting hardware issues. Leave a comment if this was helpful and let us know how many of these commands you already knew. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I post practical Windows guides every day. Thanks for watching.